Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is my friend John. John, please pronounce your actual name.
João.
João.
Now
it's
this
Portuguese.
is horrible because I don't speak Portuguese and there's going to be actual Portuguese people who see this and they're going to laugh at me like a f***.
Okay, João, we need
know my own name.
We need to run because this man is running away from us. Hey João, tell us, what is this man studying?
Wait, you don't you have
You have to, João. Please, I'll call you Johnny for the rest of your life.
You can call me Johnny. They went that way.
Okay, they're gone that way, but I can't find them.
Let's go this way.
No, don't throw me off track, mate. I found this man. Sorry. How did it like?
Go the other way. You're way too far in that.
A few moments later.
Okay, this is vlog number 2. Usman, what are you studying?
I'm studying.
Okay, this is my new friend Yazid, studying medicine at Wits. This guy's name is Ahmed, also studying medicine. This guy's name is Ra'is, studying physio. Medicine? Didn't you say you were studying pharmacy?
She studied pharmacy.
The other girl is shy. And then this is my long lost friend Azra. I've known her for 6 years and I've never met her. I thought I was getting catfished until today. You guys should go watch the Tinder Swindler.
And now you knew you're getting catfished.